You see, it gives this facelift. You can see my fine line here has dragged out a bit, and it kind of tighten your face. That's why it's good for wrinkles, fine line, and anti-aging. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, welcome my loves. In this video I'll be showing you this face mask that I've been using for the past 3 weeks now. It's the Asian Magical Anti-Aging Secret. This face mask is the bomb. It's so good. It's doing magic on my face. Like, it's clearing out my face. It's giving me this radiant glow. I don't know if you guys can see the glow. Like, the glow is so good. I had a few breakouts on my face again some months back, and I cleared it off with my regular Dettol that I use. So once the breakouts cleared off, I started having some spots on my face and some tightness, like wrinkles on my face. Then I came across this face masks. I tried a few for like 4 weeks. None worked for me. I stopped using them. Then I came across this one. This is very good. I've been using it now for 3 weeks. Yes, 3 weeks. I use it twice a week. Just twice a week. You don't need it. You don't need to use it too much. Just twice a week. And this is the 3rd week. I'm using the 5th trial now. I've used the 2nd one yesterday. But for the sake of this video, I'm making another to share it with you guys so you can know that this is working so much. If you want to mix this, all you need is 1 egg and Vaseline. Just 1 egg and Vaseline. Though I added a few touch to mine. I added aloe vera gel because I need the hydration I can get. If you've had acne, or you've breakouts, or you have wrinkles, or you're aging, you need a lot of hydration on your face. So I added aloe vera gel to add more hydration to my face. Without wasting your time, let me show you how I mix mine. What you need is a bowl. I use this here, and I'll mix the egg first. I'm trying to get the egg white out first. Okay, so I can add a little yolk. Oh boy, everything came out. Let me remove the yolk. I'll be right back. So guys, I've removed half of the yolk from the egg white. If you're dry skin, you need the egg white. If you're combination skin, you need the egg white and little yolk. If you're normal skin, you need the egg and the yolk. You understand? You need the egg and the yolk. So now I'll be adding half tablespoon of the Vaseline into the mixing. Just half tablespoon of the Vaseline. So after adding the Vaseline, I'll be taking half tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, you can use any aloe vera gel that you have. I'm using this one from Desire. So I'll be taking half tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. You see, this amounts half tablespoon. So after adding the aloe vera gel, I'll go ahead and mix this together thoroughly. Take your time to mix it so all the ingredients can saturate together. Just mix it well. This is properly mixed, like it's well mixed together, as you can see. I'm going to take my face brush and apply this all over my face. Use a face brush to apply this. Okay, let's apply it. This is so cooling on the face. Very, very cooling. And it smells like egg. You know how egg smells. Oh. I'm going to layer this like 3 times. So I'll let the first layer dry off a bit. Then I'll layer it again, then relayer it again. That's how I use it, because we need all the hydration we can get from this. Smells like egg, guys. If you can bring this downward to your neck, but I'm not going to do that. It will mess my clothes. If I'm not recording, I use this downward to my neck. But right now I can't because it will mess my top up. As you can see, it's even messing it up a bit. So let's use it. I'm going to wait to let this first layer dry up a bit, then I'll reapply it. So I'll be right back. As you can see, the first layer is dried up and my face feels tight already. I'm going to apply it again now. I told you I'll be using this 3 times. We need all the deep hydration we can get. My face is tight already. Okay, the tightness have actually reduced a bit because I've applied another layer. So I'm going to wait for this to dry up a bit. If you're doing this at home, you can move it downwards to your neck. Okay, so let me wait for this to dry again, then I reapply it. As you can see, guys, the second layer is dried and I can barely talk, like it feels tight already. So I'm going to apply the last layer. Okay, reapplying it help me loosen up the tightness because it will get wet again. So I'm just quickly going to apply this last one and let it dry. I'm going to let this dry, then I'll wash it off. This is the last layer. This is the third layer and it's fully dried. You can see I can barely talk. You know, this is why this is called anti-aging, because it instantly gives you this face lift. Your face feels lifted, like you've had botox or a facelift. As you can see, you see it gives this facelift. You can see my fine line here has dragged out a bit and it kind of tighten your face. That's why it's good for wrinkles, fine line, and anti-aging. This is a very good face mask to see. It gives me this instant lift. You can see when I started the video, my fine line was different, but now it's just like it's dragged it out like this. You see, my face is tight and heavy. Oh God, let me just try and ease this up. Oh gosh, it's oh my God. I just want to ease the face so you guys can see how it looks. It gives this instant lifts, guys. Can you see it? That is why it's called anti-aging. Let me wipe this off. This is a wet towel. Just, can you see? Can you see the glow? Oh, this the glow is so visible. Can you see my face glowing? Oh. If you're light skinned, you feel your face a bit red, as mine is white now, but it will calm down. That's because you are fair. If you're dark, you won't notice anything. I've washed off my face, and guys, can you see the glow? Like, the glow is so cool. I like the glow I'm getting. Can you see the glow, guys? After washing my face, it's still this glowing and bright, and I've not even used my skincare. I just wash off my face. I think the face is much glowing because of the Vaseline. Well, I wish I've started using this a long time ago, but still, I'm still going to incorporate it into my skincare routine and get the benefits of the anti-aging, the wrinkles that it clears off, and the spots that is getting rid of. Though my face is a bit red because from the tightening that I got from the face mask. You know, when you use it, you get this tightness like a facelift or something. I used to have one fine line here, and this one too is dragging out. Imagine if I use this for a year, it means I'll look like one 18-year-old. I'm going to incorporate this into my skincare routine and it's working. You can see I have a spot here and here before. Yeah, like the spots, they are all clearing off, and two around here. It's clearing off, like I can't even notice it anymore. If I use this for like 3 months, I know it's totally clear off my face and my face will look younger and brighter. This is truly Asian anti-aging face mask. It's getting rid of my wrinkles, like it's make you look younger. Just incorporate this into your skincare routine and you start benefiting from it. It's very good on the face. You will notice a difference after the second time of using it. Even the first time you notice a little difference, then the second time, the third time, the results will be visible enough for you to notice, and people will start noticing it as well on your face. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, like this video as well. If you have any question or inquiry you want to ask me, just leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply all your comments or requests or inquiry. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.